Good morning, everyone. Dr. Vicky here, speaking to you from the Seeds of Transformation Healing Center, or the place of the golden sunshine. Look at that tree. Isn't that gorgeous? It's glowing because the sun's coming up. Yeah, so today is Sunday, the 19th of November, and the moon is in Aquarius. Aquarius moon is a friendly moon. It's a thinking out of the box moon. It's a willingness to go places where others might think is too wacky. We have some supportive aspects, sextile to Chiron. Willingness to open the lines of communication about our wounds, and a sextile to Mercury. Again, opening lines of communication. A little bit more about sharing what we know. Maybe we can talk to each other about different ways in which we ourselves have had to resolve some of our more difficult, wounding issues. And then at the end of the night, or towards the end of the day, not the end of the night, but later in the day, we have a square of the moon in Aquarius to Uranus and Taurus. This is the last quarter crisis in faith square. Trying to figure out, I think, the best way to move forward, turn away from that which no longer serves, and walk into a new, more actuated relationship with yourself. Now that you've been illuminated to some truths that maybe you hadn't known before. All right. Well, this is absolutely glorious, and I didn't want you guys to miss it. So we can enjoy it together. Have yourself a wonderful day. Like and subscribe. The week ahead for next week is out if you want to check that out. I did do a Moon Shadows with Ona. You can check that out on my channel. That was last week we did that. And if anybody is interested in taking my beginner's class in astrology, we're going to be focusing on the karmic axis this time. That is the nodes of the moon, Pluto, and if we have time, the lunation cycle, which is the cycle of phases that we can base a deeper understanding of the aspects in astrology on. So that is what is happening, and I hope you can join us. I think it's going to be a great class. Monday evening, 7 to 9 p.m. On 6 consecutive Mondays, except for the last one, which is Christmas, so we'll move that to New Year's Day. A perfect way to start the new year, talking astrology. I'll link below if you want to enroll for that. All right, guys. There's still time and there's still space. Much love, everyone. Namaste.